Hello all and welcome to Thraraj Solution. In today's session of Power BI, we'll be seeing how to pick a perfect chart for the visualization purpose. As we have different formats of chart like the bar charts, the column charts, the pie charts, the doughnut charts, the line and area charts, and the funnel, table and matrix charts, and there are multiple customer charts. How you can visualize and on what basis you will pick the perfect chart. So that is the what we'll be seeing in today's session. Let's see, how do you pick the perfect chart for situations? So as we are seeing different types of visualization, where bar, column, a scattered bar or column charts, or clustered bar or column chart. So these charts are used to compare between two things, such as amount versus country. For an example, how the various countries are performing regarding their sales. Next, where you can use the other option as amount versus date, where date can be verified with year, quarter, month. So in this column chart, when you have a date field, you try the column chart, which can provide a better representation. And when you have a subcategories, you need to go into the legend option. For example, when you take on the x-axis as the amount and y-axis as the country, and the legend team, whatever you put on legend, it will separate the colors. So here is the option where you have taken on the y-axis as the country and the x-axis as the amount and the legend with the team. Next, coming with the small multiple charts. So when you have subcategories as a level or as a panel, so you can compare each team by doing a small multiples axis. Okay. Next, coming to the line chart or the area chart. So these are used for the trends. So where it used to access to be date or time by default. Or else this is used to show a trend of an organization in particular year, how the revenue is generated or how many hiring or the termination process is done. So in this way, for the trending purpose, we use the line chart, area chart. And we have this scattered line chart or scattered area chart in the given diagram, which shows the representation of sales versus with different countries for the yearly based. Next, why do we use the pie chart and doughnut chart? These are used to show full picture for various categories, such as amount versus with category or amount versus with the team. So this is a pie chart and this is a doughnut chart. So when you have multiple slices, you need to avoid the pie charts. Okay. So you need to avoid when you're having too many slices, such as amount versus product. Next, coming to the card visualization, which are used to show the KPIs. There is the key performance indicators, which can be to be a total sales or the shipments or the revenue generated annually, that is yearly based for different countries. And you have the option where in this row card where you can go with the multi options by providing the total sales, shipments and the months. And apart from this, you can add a context as month over month to know the difference. Next, coming to the table and matrix. So there is a difference between table and matrix, and this table and matrix, they are used to give the detailed view of the data. So when you make the feel and look of the table by adding the same color and the background color and the bars, etc. So when you sort and apply some conditional format, and the teams which sort orders on the numbers, conditional formatting using the data bars and coloring icons for the movement of the data. And whereas the table format, it gives the total, grand total at a time at the end of the table, whereas the matrix format is where it shows within the row by row based on the character or the column based. This is the way we can say this is the total where we have, whereas this it shows at the end. Next, coming to the scattered. Scattered, this thing is used to compare the information of two dimensions. Suppose a salesperson doing his sales and shipments. So in this way, the scatter is done. So taking total sales on the x-axis and the shipments on the y-axis. Next, coming, what is animated scatter? It shows a data with axis, nothing but the period of data for long duration, where someone wants to track the information by clicking on the dot related to the month and the date. So once you click on the dot on particular month, so it gives the story of that on particular month, what was the sales and the shipments. Next, coming to the waterfall chart. So it shows the change or contribution of things from one point to another point, such as x-axis and y-axis. So year and sales. Next, coming to the title, highlight your title by giving a meaningful title about the data, the information of the data. So this is highlights which gives the title. Coming to the tooltip is nothing but the additional information of data which is used to present on the chart. Once you hover over on this bar chart, you can find a pop-up window which is a tooltip which gives the information about the particular chart. Thank you all.